Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Fairy Ururoo from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and draw the eyes. We'll start with one circle here. And then the second one to the right, but slightly lower. Next, inside each eye, let's add a curve on the bottom right. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start above the left eye and let's draw a small angle down and then continue it down below. Next, let's draw a curve out to the left and then curve it back in for the nose. And now let's add a curve at the end. Next, let's hop down underneath, let's step in, and let's draw a curve down. And then let's curve it back up to the right and down like this. Next, let's hop up on the top right and draw the first ear. We'll start with a curve up, and then another one coming to a point. And now let's draw two curves inside. Next, let's draw the crown on top of the head. We'll start with a curve across for the bottom. Then an angled line up on the left, and a small one up on the right above the ear. Then let's bring it down from both sides. And then a V-shaped point to close it off. Next, inside, let's draw a circle at the top, one on the bottom left. Then for the bottom right, let's draw a half a circle here. Next, let's move up above the crown and draw the other ear. Let's draw two curves coming up to a point. Now let's hop down under the ear and draw the other side of the head with a curve down and out like this. Next, let's hop down and draw the shape of the body. From the line we just drew, let's curve it out, bringing it up and back down, forming the back. Now let's hop back over to the left. Underneath the head, let's draw an S-shaped curve down and back up for the belly. And now let's add the arms on the left side. Let's start inside here and let's draw a curve down. And then underneath, let's draw an S-shaped curve down like this. And now let's add the hand at the bottom. Let's draw three pointed V-shapes up for the fingers. And now let's close it off with a curve at the bottom. Now let's erase that overlapping line inside. Next, let's hop up and draw the other arm holding the wand. Let's start by drawing the wand first. Let's draw 2 diagonal lines down on the left side here. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, at the top, let's draw a large heart shape. And now let's draw 2 more hearts inside. And that's it for the wand. Now let's draw the arm and hand holding it. From the body, let's draw 2 curves over to the wand like this. And then on the bottom side, let's draw a curve for the hand. And then 3 V-shaped fingers overlapping the wand like this. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside the hand. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move back inside and finish drawing the body. Let's first add the belly pouch here. Underneath the arm, let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. Now inside, let's draw some eyeballs. Let's draw 5 circles. And now for the pupils, let's draw curves inside each one. And now let's color each of the pupils in black. Next, let's hop up. From the line in the middle of the neck here, let's continue it down to the arm, and then underneath to the pouch. Next, let's draw the legs. On the bottom right here, let's draw a curve up and back down, overlapping the body. And now let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now from the right side, let's draw a curve down, and then a wavy line down on the left. Now from both lines, let's curve it out to the left. And then let's add the foot at the end with 2 bumps. Next, let's draw the other leg behind. Let's start with 2 curves from under the body here. And then 2 bumps on the left side for the other foot. And that's it for the legs and feet. Next, let's finish adding the tail on the right. From the top body line, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and out like this. And then let's do the same thing underneath, bringing it down to close off the body. And that's it for Fairy Ururoo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!